Hi, my name is Maria Fernandez and I'm a creative community herbalist. And in today's video, I want to show you how to create an herbal vinegar. Herbal vinegar, that's right. What I'm going to be using today to create this herbal vinegar is the following. I have apple cider vinegar, which is pasteurized, so I don't buy the Briggs, which is raw. You want to make sure it's pasteurized. It's very important. And so, apple cider vinegar is your menstruum. Menstruum is the medium that you would be using. Usually, when as herbalists, we could use oils, vinegars. We could use vodka, honey. Different menstruums means different methods of creating medicine. I have a label, a marker, and an empty jar. And I'm sitting next to mint. Mint is so refreshing. It helps your digestive system. Everybody loves mint tea. Mint is really easy to grow in your garden, especially if you're a first-time gardener and want to make sure that you don't kill your plants. Mint is one of those plants that blooms out. She knows how to spread herself out. So, you will need scissors. And I'm going to start cutting her. And you want to cut as much as possible and cut the stem, the leaves, even the flowering if there's flowering. But yeah, it's about to be fall, and I want to, use the medicine from this beautiful plant. We have been enjoying her wild. Daily we come out and chew on a leaf or two. Even my daughters do that. It's wonderful. I think I'm also going to take a few sprigs of mint and dry them up. So whenever I want to make like a mint tea. And I'm also want to make some mint honey. As of now, I'm creating an herbal vinegar. All of the mint family, peppermint, sage, rosemary, lavender, they're amazing because they're aromatic. Aromatic is plants that have smells. And all plants have smells. And what I mean by aromatic is that when you smell mint, there's a flavor that automatically is a volatile oil that it has. It's a signature. And lemon balm has it as well. Rosemary has it. Lavender has it as well. It's a key signature of the mint family. Also, a key signature is that the stem is square. It's square. So next time, if you haven't noticed, take a look at the mint or the lemon balm or even the motherwort. Motherwort is also part of the mint family. Motherwort is not aromatic. And so you want to make vinegars with aromatic herbs such as mint, rosemary, sage, even lemon balm. And I'm cutting because I want to fill it all the way to the top with plant material. Vinegars extract minerals out of plants, and our bodies need minerals. We are lacking minerals so much, and mint vinegar provides a great source of calcium, way better than milk or those calcium pills. So this is really easy. I'm pretty sure a lot of people could grow even mint on a pot inside their home or outside of their little porch. And vinegar, it's really cheap. And this is really easy to make. I'm doing this and then I'll let it sit for 6 weeks in a place that is not too hot or cold, you know, away from the sun. And you know, you'll have this amazing tasting vinegar that's gonna be packed with nutrients, minerals, vitamins. It's gonna taste delicious. And what can you do with this vinegar? Well, there's many choices that you have. You could use it for your facial care. You could add like water, you know, dilute it a little bit to some of this after you strain it, and use it as a spritzer for your face because it helps with acidity. So, you know, this is something that is great to use for when you're making soups or you're cooking meats that may have like bones, you know, like let's say like oxtail, to extract like the calcium from the bones of, like, you know, meat. You could use this type of vinegar for any of your dressing recipes that requires vinegar. I mean, so many people drink apple cider vinegar for weight loss and for clearing out the arteries. So I think this would taste better. It's tastier. Plus, you're adding more nutrients. So it's kind of like if you're already doing the apple cider vinegar, adding the mint is kind of like adding the cherry on top of the sundae, right? So that's what I'm doing here. Anybody could do this. I mean, it's really simple. I'm just cutting the mint very sharply so that there's so much of her. I love it. This is awesome. And I love just being able to ingest her because she's so refreshing. And if you have bad breath problems, eating mint is going to help you. So this is how you make an herbal vinegar. Use aromatic herbs and fill it all the way to the top. Make sure you use pasteurized vinegar. If not, heat it up yourself, because unpasteurized vinegar could have the mother bacteria, and you don't want to deal with science projects, right? So you want to make, oh, you know what? I forgot to bring parchment paper, but I'll do that when I go back inside. So I fill it all the way to the top. It's packed with vinegar and mint. And your next step is to label. Label it with today's date and the name of the plant and what you're using. So this is a herbal vinegar. If it was a tincture, it would be a tincture. If it was a honey elixir, it would be that. If it was an oil, it would be an oil. So I'm going to say mint herbal vinegar. Oh. Wait. Oh. I was writing in a sticker that's, these have to be used already. I'm like, why is it not writing mint herbal vinegar? And today's date is August 31, 20. So in 6 weeks, I know this would be ready. Now I'll put it away for 6 weeks in my cupboard, and voila. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. Make any comments or suggestions as to what you would like for me to create or show you regarding herbs and making medicine with herbal allies. Subscribe to my channel as I plan to continue to create more herbal healing remedies and talk about plants, what the uses are for, help you identify them. And you know, I know there are so many other great herbalists out there, and so supporting each other, it's one way we help each other out, by bringing the information out into people's hands, because green herbal allies are people's medicine. And more than ever now, it's important that we take our health into our own hands, that we learn what health is, you know? And health is a process, healing is a journey. It's not just take a pill and then you're done, right? Healing is a journey of healing everything from your mind, body, spirit, and your emotions. Emotional body, 4 bodies. And so, thank you for watching. Give it a like, subscribe, and leave any comments and any suggestions. Thank you.